i35equipment.com. This is an XCMG XE300U hydraulic track excavator. This is one powerhouse of a machine. If you're looking for a great machine to use on the job site or out on the ranch for your big jobs, this may be the one you've been waiting for. Excellent power out of that Cummins diesel. Super reach for digging deep or way out there with that big arm. Very low hours on this machine. We're going to take a full walk around. He's going to operate it for us, and we'll hop up in the operator station, take a look around inside there as well. No codes, no lights, no known issues. Dual travel speeds, cold AC, travel alarm, horn. Has two cameras on, both the side view and the rear view. And it has a lower window glass guard on it, as well as a exterior sun visor and an interior pull down sunshade. If you're not familiar with XCMG, they had a 17-year contract to build Caterpillar machines. They're also the third largest manufacturer of construction equipment in the entire world. Like I said earlier, it utilizes the Cummins diesel, so getting parts for it is pretty easy. And then they have a large dealer network across the country. Happy to have you out to come look it over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic operator or hire someone who wants to come here if you like. We're here by appointment only. Happy to have you out. We just want to make sure we're at the gate and lock. So just call, text, email, or fill out the form on the website to schedule a day and time. And if you'd like a Honk quote, we're happy to look into getting this machine shipped to you. Just fill out the form on the website, call, text, email, or fill out the form on the website with your full delivery address. We'll share it with several haulers and a nationwide broker and get back the best rate that comes back to us. Or we welcome you to come pick it up for yourself if you're so quick, or arrange your own hauling if you like. It does have that hydraulic thumb on it, which is fantastic for pulling trees, sorting scrap, doing demolition work, loading boulders, and just about everything else. Also has a secondary set of auxiliary hydraulics if you want to hook up a hammer or other attachment, and it's been pre-plumbed from the factory with hoses and the switch to add a hydraulic quick attach coupler if you decide to do that at some point. All working LED work lights on the front and rear. Also has an amber beacon light on top. Bolt-on side guards are really nice, kind of give you a little extra protection if you get close to a tree or other structure. Now, that is a really nice Gaith bucket. However, if it's not quite the bucket you need for your current job, we do have a variety of new and used buckets available for add-on. You can see them all on the website. This one has 4 teeth and a weld-on cutting edge. There's that thumb with 4 tines or fingers. They are serrated to give you a better grip. There's that secondary set of auxiliary hydraulics, as well as your lines for the hydraulic attach system. Rear hoop here, in case you need to hook up a chain and move stuff around the yard or the job site. These are those bolt-on side guards to give you that protection we're talking about. It does have all the hand and safety rails, good mirrors. Notice the hand and safety rails are straight, so I don't think it's been up in the trees working. It's usually the first thing to go. Good mirrors everywhere too. There's your turntable pump, diesel fill, hydraulic tank. Got your one camera for the side, one camera for the back. Camera beacon light. Cab is nice and straight, not bent up or anything. And I haven't seen any moisture or leaks or anything. Again, no active codes. These Cummins diesels are fantastic. No boom by at all. Just want to show that to you. Room for taking fluids or tools along to the job site with you. This is a big machine. It's a long ways up here. Excellent undercarriage. All the components look great on it. Pins are nice and smooth. Sprockets are still really squared out. That's the way you want it to be. Fully serviced out at 1827 hours. And they even serviced the fluid in the rear drives or in the hydraulic drive motors. All your guard plates are in place. If you want to see all the specs as well as our full up-to-date inventory, you can do so on the website. Our specialty here is consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle equipment sitting around being underutilized, you'll be getting sold with our consignment sales service. Learn all about it on the website, or feel free to give us a call. We're happy to visit with you. We have folks all over the country looking for good ready to work equipment. You always have to get that machinery sold. Full battery setup, radiator, battery switch there. Over here you've got your air filter, along with this switch right here is your pattern control squeezer. So it's currently an excavator, but you can swap it over to a backhoe if you got somebody who prefers backhoe, and then back and forth real nice and easy. So no matter who's in the operator seat, they can be right home with the pattern control of their choice. Whew, feel that nice cold air conditioner in here. This machine does have a working seat here. Movable rubber format if you want to take it out and watch it. This is that pull down sunshade. Just pull that cord, it goes back up. Excellent seat. It is air suspension with a lot of things you can slide back and forth on there. All right. It does have a foot pedal for hooking up if you have something you want to hook up there, like a hammer. This is part of your hydraulic quick attach system if you decide to add one. Amber beacon light. This is part of your rear lights. See that on. And then it's also your work lights. Dual travel speeds, auto RPM down, windshield wiper fluid, mute, travel alarm mute, rear camera, and it cycles it. So currently we're looking out the back, now we're looking out the side. This is going to be your throttle, this is going to be your menu control. These are quick hits, you can hit that and just go straight to air conditioner, radio, or home, auxiliary, and USB plug-in. There's also a 12 volt there if you need to plug in your phone to charge it. Up here, you've got your quick reference guide for when to change fluids and grease. And we'll just go through this system real quick. It is a touchscreen system. Before I forget, ice cold working air conditioner, always a nice feature. 204, 2.7 hours. These are your fluids. It's showing that it's a little over 3/4 tank full, so that's really nice. We're just gonna hit this button right here. You can see all the information on here. This is gonna guide you through everything. This is kind of like your quick check on your pressures and temperatures. This is really a nice deal here if you want to see if you have any faults. No active codes on the machine. And then there's a second one here. It's real-time engine faults. There's no active faults on the engine, which is really nice. This can go to air conditioner, and you can change all your settings for the AC system. I do believe, oh, it's a hair cooler, that's fine. I'll make it blow, oh, yep, feel it on the legs now. Multimedia, this is your radio system. Let's go ahead, so this button down here turns it on. It looks like it's on, it's just turned down. And we'll get it changed to a station I'm familiar with. Just give me a second here. Turn it up so you can hear it. Working radio, and you can cycle between FM, AM. I do not know what DAB is, but that next one's gonna be your USB plug-in, then Bluetooth, and probably an auxiliary plug-in. Appreciate you guys taking time to watch. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout. Like I said, you can see all the photos and specs in our full and up-to-date inventory on the website at i35limited.com. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.